Alright, we have Mark here. He's back for his follow-up appointment. He got a Y-strap and full adjustment, what was that, 2 weeks ago actually.
Yes.
So, he's here for his follow-up. Was feeling really well. He's been golfing a lot though lately, so he just wants to get a little tune-up. So we're going to do it right now. Alright, go ahead and go face down. We're going to start with the heat. Put the heating pads on, loosen up those muscles. Just helps with the adjustment that much more. So only golfing on the weekends now.
Yeah, starting to. I played Bolingbrook Country Club for $55 at the cart.
Nice.
So if I can keep finding steals like that, then I'm gonna be there.
Is that just through the website, or did you do it on Golf Now?
It was on Golf Now, but now they went back to like normal pricing, so it's like $90.
Yeah, you still got that right short pretty good.
It's
Not as bad as last time. It was real short before. Is that bothering you still?
Yeah. It's always that right side area. Oh, that was a good one.
Lift your chin up just a little bit. Got that. Lift chin up, relax. This hasn't been too bad in here.
Right side?
Good. Not terrible. How's the neck been?
It's been, I guess it's kind of bothering me, like kind of tight,
Okay.
like a little bit.
This one right here. Let that left shoulder fall just a little bit.
Ooh,
There it was.
wow.
Yeah. That's really, the side's not terrible. There's that right atlas. There's a little C2 there.
Oh.
Good. Alright, we're gonna go do a little back over there. Alright, go ahead and go on your side. Right short. Take care of that right hip. Tuck under just a little. There you go. Arm straight. Let this relax. There you go. Nice. Good.
Wow, that one easy.
Alright, flip you this way. Perfect. This one tighter?
Yeah.
So. There. Oh, there it was. Good.
Oh.
Yeah, your hips were way out. They went way better this time though, didn't they?
Yeah.
A lot more movement in them. That's good. Awesome. Alright, so go ahead and go back over here and we'll do the Y-strap adjustment. Alright, so we're going to do the Y-strap adjustment now.
So excited for this.
Alright, go lift up. Back down. Go ahead and cross your hands over your stomach, it's fine. Yeah, that's good. Good. Okay, do a little traction. The traction feels good just right away.
Yeah, I know. This is awesome. That lower back, you feel it.
Feel all the way down.
Oh my god. I feel so much stretching in that right hip area right now.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Yeah, that's where you got that really bad short.
Oh. Oh.
Let's breathe.
So good.
Yeah. Alright, come up your head up.
Oh my god.
And breathe, breathe, breathe. Good. Check those feet length. Good, a lot better. Straighten you out.
There we go.
Good.
I can notice it too.
Yeah, go ahead and sit up. Alright, so we're going to do his ankles as well, and his hips, just because his low back's been a little bit off, so we want to get more down the kinetic chain, so do these hips too. Good. Just going to take this shoe off real quick. Oop. Good. It's easier with the shoes off. Let this one relax. There you go. Good.
Whoa.
Feel it suck out of the socket, huh?
Yeah.
Let that one relax.
Oh.
A little bit more? Okay, there it went. Good.
Jesus. What?
Didn't know your feet could do that, huh?
No.
These calcaneus. Loosen these up. You'll be shooting par next week, okay?
Oh my god.
Alright, you're good.
Whoa.
How was that?
That's. I didn't know that. What? That's. That tightness, like, that was in my head. It's like gone.
Yeah.
Right
Good.
now. It is 100% gone right now.
Good. Hip straight. Relax this. Good. Bring this across like this. Just relax, just relax. There. Little pop.
Yeah.
Wasn't too bad. Same thing. Let this go, let this go. Good. Across. Good. Another little one.
Oh, baby one.
Nice. Not too bad though, really. That's it.
Yeah.
How'd we do? How was today?
Awesome. I feel better than last week
Yeah.
or last time.
Yeah. You needed another one. I hadn't seen you in a while.
I know.
Your hips are really unlevel. And you always had that problem with that really short right leg, so
Yeah. I think this is like one of the few times where I actually like feel it like
Yeah.
right as it
Yeah.
after it happens.
yeah.
Like right away. Like the second you like adjusted this one, like it's so different walking.
Good.
It is so different now.
Awesome.
Wow.
Alright, cool.
Hey guys, Dr. Joel Lardi here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic in Orland Park. If you're looking for a wide-strap doctor around the Chicagoland area, give us a call. If you're also looking for good old-fashioned hands-on chiropractic that gets to where you need to be and get your recovery started faster, give us a call here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic.